oke, lanjut. Yang kedua. Mami Kiwawa.
The first time I'm voice chatting with Kiara senpai.
Inggris lu, Kobo, Inggris lu.
I'm really happy.
The moment she came into the voice chat channel, she was
Ini
and screaming
Why, what?
so loud.
Oh my god, what? I'm sorry for my broken.
Oh ya, dimana Pak RT
We
juga.
completely communicated fine, I think. Completely, perfectly fine. Everything was fine. I understood you.
Nice.
And as you know, my English is not the best either, because my
Not the
first
best.
language is German.
Not
Did you
the
know?
best, she said.
Ah, German.
Yeah, German. Deutsch.
The moment.
Merci beaucoup, merci beaucoup.
No, that's French.
Goblok. Oh bodoh.
German, Dankeschön is...
Oh,
German,
bodoh.
merci beaucoup is Dankeschön.
Otak kamu cuma 1 MB, ai.
Dankeschön. Dankeschön. Dankeschön.
Aduh, bodoh.
Don't jump down.
Shame on myself. Shame on me.
Ya ampun, lucu banget dari POV-nya Chihuahua.
Kobo, have you ever been to Europe before?
My what?
Have you ever been to Europe before?
Rap?
Europe.
Rap?
Bodoh.
What? Can you spell it? R-E? Rap?
E-U-R-O-P-E, the continent, Europe.
Europe!
Europe, yeah. Finally.
How do you say that in Indonesian?
Eropa.
Europe.
Oh.
Ay,
You
masih
say
belum
Europe?
ngeh, masih belum ngeh.
No. In Indonesia we call it Eropa.
Eropa.
Sounds like
But
it's
Kiara
very
say it like
erotic.
Eropa.
Mm.
Eropa.
Come to the erotic continent.
Ragu lagi bocahnya.
Wait, so have you been before to Europa?
Yeah, I haven't been outside my country.
At all? Never.
Yeah.
Oh, I even have
It's already 1 year and I still haven't
just
go
once
outside.
in my life.
Oh, but within your country, inside
Within my
your
country, of course.
Yeah,
Oh.
it's inside my country.
Would your mom allow you to visit mommy
Of
Chihuahua?
course.
Would your mom say
My
yes?
my real mom already
Does your
meet
mom
her.
let
You know,
go
guys.
alone?
Yeah,
Can you
my
come
mom
to-
knows.
I want to come to you. I mean, yeah, my mom should approve.
Really? Really? I'll take good care of you. I'll protect you.
Yeah. I'll ask permission that
Yeah.
she have to say
Pet,
yes.
permission, mom.
it's
I want to
okay.
go
You
with
have
mommy
to travel
Chihuahua.
around the
Can
world. You
I?
have to see
Masih enggak?
everything, Kobo.
No.
And you have
I
to go
want
to see all the horses all over the world.
all the horses.
Yeah.
Let's go.
I want to meet Kobo one day.
it's
It doesn't have to
already-
be in my country. We can also. I
Yeah,
can fly
and
to-
I
can fly to
met
Indonesia.
her. I
wanted
meet
to
you.
go
I
to,
met you already, mommy
Bali.
Chihuahua.
Bali.
Yeah.
I
Yeah.
haven't been to Bali. though.
Nice.
I want to try to.
Nice.
been to Bali either?
We met like
go.
twice.
Let's
Then
go.
I think it's a
2
good
days.
idea.
Within 2 days.
Yeah. Oh my god, I'm so excited.
Aduh ya.
Nice.
Aduh. Noise peak.
One day.
Yeah.
Next.
No, cheater is bad, Dad.
No,
Don't
it's
be a
good.
cheater.
good.
Don't cheat
Oh,
on
mommy
Mommy
Chihuahua.
What?
What?
What? No, it's not that kind of.
So
it's not
cute.
that kind of thing.
So funny.
You are. It's a half. You're a half child.
I'm a half child. What do you mean?
Ini lucu banget.
Yeah. So.
I'm a hard
So
job. What do you
Kiara
mean?
is married to Amelia,
Uh-huh.
but
No,
I'm
no
married
kiss.
to myself.
No.
So you're half. We're not related. I mean, me and Kiara are not. This is getting complicated. You're adopted. I'm sorry you had to find out this way, but you're adopted.
I'm adopted.
Yes, but we love you. We both love you very much. Yes. Yes. I'm sorry. No, don't be sad. Don't be sad. We chose you. We chose you. Just separately. Oh, please don't cry. Please don't cry. We chose you. We chose you separately.
It breaks my heart.
It's not a bad thing. No, Kobo, I lied. You're not adopted. I'm not your real father, but Kiara's your real mother. There you go. How about that? I'm your uncle.
Okay. Nice.